How to connect, pair, charge, and use a Redragon Bluetooth gaming mouse that has Bluetooth, it has 2.4 gigahertz wireless, and it also has wired capability. We're going to go over everything about this mouse, starting with how to get it paired. So if you want to get it paired in Bluetooth, all you're going to do is you're going to come around to the bottom and you're going to see this switch here. You're going to switch it over to the Bluetooth side. And if it's never been connected to your computer or your device before, you're just going to press and hold this button up here for 3 seconds. Once you've done 3 seconds, it should be blinking in blue. Then you can come and just go on your device, your computer, and select this mouse, and it will connect to it. From there, it will automatically connect to it every time. When you move it, it'll wake up. Now, if you want to use it via the dongle, and the benefit of the dongle is you get slightly faster reactions if you're playing in a video game or something like that where you need it to be very fast. All you need to do is make sure your dongle is plugged into the USB port of your computer, and then all you need to do is switch this over to the dongle mode, and it will automatically connect to the dongle, and you're ready to go. The third way you can actually use this is it has its charge port here. Now, if you have this charged into its charge port and this is connected to a computer, if you just turn the mouse off, the mouse will actually not be off if it's connected to a computer. It will work basically as a wired mouse with a computer, and it will also be charging the battery. Now, this mouse has lighting effects, and we can turn those lighting effects on and off using this button right here. So right now they're on, and if I turn this to off, you can see the lighting effects are no longer on the mouse, but the mouse is still on. Now, in addition to your regular mouse buttons, you have these two buttons, which is a forward back. This is like hitting the forward and the back arrows on the keyboard, on your keyboard of your computer. So you don't actually need to go to your computer to do that. You can just do that with your thumb. And this button here is like a rapid fire gun, a rapid fire button. It'll shoot bursts of fire if you click this button. You also have your DPI buttons here, your scroll wheel here, which is also a middle button. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions about how this mouse works, don't hesitate to ask.